Hi everyone, so I am going to do and show you the different steps of the biochemical tests that we can do to find out more information about our bacterium. So first things first, we want to sterilize our benchtop, and we're going to sterilize our inoculating needle, which I'm going to hold inside the microincinerator for 10 seconds. And then once the 10 seconds is over, we're going to pull it out and let it cool for about a minute. That way we don't kill off any bacteria in our sample. We're going to open the test tube of the culture broth, and before we take a sample with our inoculating tube, we're going to flick the tube just to make sure it's nice and well mixed. Before we sample, we're going to take off the cap of this tube here, and then we're going to hold the test tube and hold it by the microincinerator and sterilize the lid of the test tube. Once we do that, we are going to take our sterilized inoculating loop and dip it into the tube to pull up a sample. And before we streak the starch agar plate, we are going to sterilize the test tube lip again with the micro incinerator here for a few seconds and close the test tube. And then once we do that, we are going to streak the plate, making sure that we don't vertically hold our inoculating needle as so that we can streak the plate without damaging the agar. Next, we are going to take our iodine solution. We are going to add it to our starch agar plate, sorry, to the medium. And this iodine will react with the starch to produce a blue-purple compound. So if the bacteria or bacterium species produces amylase that breaks down the starch, we will be able to see a clear surrounding around the bacterial growth, indicating that the starch was able to be broken down. So this will tell us if the bacterium possesses amylase to break down starch. And once that is finished, I am going to sterilize my inoculating loop again for 10 seconds, just to make sure that my inoculating needle and my benchtop is clean and ready to go for another biochemical test.